Google Workspace Studio is officially launched. It is crazy. You can now build automations and AI agents for free inside of your Gmail account as long as you're on Workspace. So you have to have the professional level of Gmail. If you work in a company that uses Gmail, you already have this. Let me show you how easy it is to build an automation for Gmail. So what you need to do is click on Get Started right here on the page. I'll link this below. This asks you to create a Google Workspace. I already have one, so you can just sign in. So I'm going to go to that tab, and you can see it says Automate your work with AI agents. In the top of your Gmail, the easiest way to get to Workspace Studio is look for the icon at the top that looks just like this guy right here. Okay? If you look right there, you'll see this My Agents icon. Click on that, and you'll be able to open Workspace Studio. Then you can type in whatever you want it to do. So I can just type in a task and say, when I get an email, translate it to Spanish, and then write a response in Spanish. Okay? Let's say I wanted it to do that. I get emails in any language. I want to translate to Spanish and draft a response in Spanish. Whatever you want to happen, you can basically make happen. And by whatever you want, I mean, if you could do it with ChatGPT or Gemini before manually as a human, you can now automate it. So check out what it just built. It automatically says right here up top, translate email and draft Spanish responses. So when I get an email, I'm going to select on this right side all emails. Okay. So when all emails come in, I then want it to go to the next step, which is ask Gemini. And it says, translate the following email content into Spanish. Ensure the tone remains appropriate for the context. So then it pulls the variable email body. If I also wanted the email subject, I can click this variables button, and then I can click step 1 when I get an email, and I can select the email subject right here at the top, right? So now I pulled in email subject and body if I want to translate both. I'm going to keep it at just the body. In terms of sources, we're allowing it to use the web, Workspace, and connected apps, or we could do web only. So Workspace means it can actually go through my Google Drive with my docs and my sheets and my Google slide decks and things like that to get resources. So if I wanted like a customer service response agent, it could actually go through my FAQs and things like that. And then you can see that step 3 is going to say, based on the following email, which has been translated to Spanish, draft a polite and appropriate response in Spanish. The response should address the main points of the email. So it says translated email content. It's now taking that translation from step 2, right? So we had the email come in, it got translated here, and then we're taking that translation and using it inside of step 3, right? This is step 3, and it's utilizing the translation that happened in step 2. Okay, cool. Now, after this happens, and it drafts the response, we have step 4, which is draft a reply. So email to reply to, that's email ID from step 1. So that's the saying respond to the email that we got in step 1, right? And then the response draft should be this, step 3, content created by Gemini. Cool. And so now I can just turn this on, and automatically when I get an email, it will draft a reply. So let's try this. I'm going to send myself an email. Okay, so the email I'm going to send myself just says subject, morning, what's the weather like in San Diego today? And it'll say, do you want to play golf? Cool. And I'm going to send that right now. Okay? So that's sent. And I can run a test here as well if I wanted to. So what I can do is click on test run. Okay? And inside of test run, I can actually select which email it's going to use as the test here on the right side. So I'm going to search for the email received, and I'm going to search for the one that says morning. Okay, that just came in for me, and I'm going to click start, and now it's going to do a test run of this, and it's going to take the email that I sent, right? And now step 1, receive that email. Step 2, it's going to translate it into Spanish. So it's going to ask Gemini, hey, take this email, translate to Spanish. So you can see Gemini responded, and it translated. But then it said, the prompt or content it references used an unsupported language. Interesting. So I'm going to click on send feedback, and I'm going to send this to Google. And I'm going to share that. Okay, which is interesting because Google was advertising that you can translate meeting notes and emails to any language. Maybe Spanish is not supported for some reason, but that should be fine. So let's just run a test again, okay? Because it translated in Spanish at first. Maybe it just can't write in Spanish, but Worst case, we'll just test if it can take the Spanish and then write a response in English if it really fails again. Okay, so it's working, sorry. And it's going to translate that email again. Okay, and keep in mind, this is brand new, so you may run into bugs like this, in which case you have to test again and again. It translated into Spanish just fine as we saw the first time around. We're asking Gemini to now write a response in Spanish. Yep, it did it. So see, I just had to test it again and then draft a reply. And so now it says run completed. And so if I open my email, which I'll drag over to my other screen, okay, you'll see now, this is insane. We have an email draft, right? So this came in. What's the weather like in San Diego today? Do you want to play golf? And then it says, Estimado Ben, gracias por tu mensaje. I don't actually speak Spanish, but you can see it drafted the whole email. And all I would have to do if I want to change this is just go in here, change my message like regular Gmail, and then hit send, and it's done. So now I can actually run my business in multiple languages. And instead of having to translate all my emails, I can automatically have it translate the email, write the response in that language that I don't even speak, and send it. Google Workspace Studio is about to get crazy. If you want to see more videos about this, please subscribe, comment if you have any questions, and I'm excited to help you with this. Thanks for watching.